Hello everyone and welcome back to today's video. Today I will show you very briefly how to transform your JPEG images into PNG, in other words, images with transparent backgrounds. Let's find out how to turn a JPG or JPEG image into a PNG image. You want a transparent background for your logo, for example, before adding it to your website, email signature, or social media content. Let's use a logo as an example. Very often when you add your logo to an image, you will want it to display a transparent background. It looks neater, more professional. Let's find out how to do that in a few simple clicks while using a free application online to make these changes. First of all, locate your logo in your computer. Have it ready to be uploaded to a website. Now, I have found this website here by simply typing in JPEG to PNG in the Google search bar and scrolling down until I found one that was free and not too cluttered, meaning with not tons of ads or pop-ups. If you prefer another tool, the steps will most likely be very similar. So let's go on to this website. Select your logo. Here you can click on Upload File, your File Explorer if you're using Windows, or your Finder window if you're using Mac will open. Go to the location of your photo and select it. Your second option here would be to drag and drop the image straight here. Then press on the following button, Convert to PNG. Finally, click on Download PNG file. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to comment and like and make any suggestions. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.